Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. I'm going to start making a few videos of going back to ones where people have commented a lot, and especially ones where I could have done a better video or could have said things better in the video. So sort of like you could call it me recanting or me self-auditing, but I'm going to go over some of the comments the viewers have made and say whether I think it's true or false or maybe. So I've done it in this pan because it's easier to read the comments in this view. Forgive if there's any background noise. I'm at home making this video and my house is quite lively. So let's click on this one. This one here. Okay, let me turn the volume down. This particular video here got a lot of comments. All right. First of all, before I go into these comments, I'm going to talk about something what I heard from a person who's a better electrician than me. I've done some electrical training, but I want to basically, I ask someone else to give me an independent review of what I did wrong in this video. Remember that despite when you get trained or when you do a video, you can still make mistakes in the actual video because you're not perfect. You go and try and make a video and let me know how it turns out for you if it's perfect. So, but from the aim, from my errors, I want people to also learn as well as myself what we could do better. So first thing a friend said to me, step one, they said, you talk about safe isolation in this video and you don't show it. I think that's true. Step two, you talk about using an approved voltage indicator, but you use a multimeter. That's true in this video. And another thing they said, by the way, let me tell you the name of the video. This is what it's called. Three-phase electricity professional killer. I'm sorry. So here we go now. Step two, question three, should I say? GS38 is compliant leads. So he said use GS38 compliant leads. Yep, the leads I use here with my multimeter are not, they were compliant until I pulled off the prongs on the end because sometimes I just couldn't get them into bits I needed to, but I should have kept the bits so that the leads are the right leads. You know, the prongs, the bits on the end, you see these leads here, that's too long. They should be shorter. They did come like that, but yeah, I'm gonna have to order a new pair because I've lost the bits on the end. Okay, four, you can still get electrocuted wearing rubber sole shoes. So I believe maybe in this video I gave an indication that if you're wearing rubber sole boots, you can't get electrocuted. Of course you can, but I just said that you're safer doing that. Another thing, feedback I got was somebody else said you should have used a 2-pole tester for checking for safe isolation, not a multimeter. I think that's similar to what was said earlier. What do you think? True, false? Okay, other points. So in the comments, let's look at some of the comments. Okay, so here now, let's see what true or false. I hope there was some positive from this and I'm keeping people safer than unsafe. I hope I'm not making anybody learn anything that's not safe. I did in the description as well. Let me show you the description. In the description or the sort of disclaimer or safety, I put here, well, I put it in all my videos about safe isolation. So down here, I've got a safe isolation procedure. At the end, it should also say test your test equipment afterwards, that it was actually working, if just as the last check, but I didn't put that in here. I may have to update that. But as you read through here, you can see the procedure. Okay, back to the comments. In the comments, here we go. Yep, I mentioned this one earlier. Good point that they mentioned here. You can let me know if you agree. Okay, this comment here, I don't know. Tell me if you agree about the quad channel instrument. I'm not sure about that one. You may know more than me. What else? Oh, this was about a song. They thought that's what it was. All right, that's not appropriate to the video. Done from 3 phases, not great. Just make sure to trip the phases and keep neutral connected to the ground at all times. What do you think about that comment? And another one here, they think that taking the fuse out is not safe isolation, which is true. You should remove the fuse and place it in your pocket. Yeah, then lock off. Yeah, this sounds correct. And then they talk about the gloves you wear, that unless they're these type of gloves, don't get too excited that you're safe. Okay, what else? Yeah, and this is true at the end, what they said about the leads. Okay, I don't know if there's any more. Let me see. Did I miss any other good comments? Do you want to add anything to this? Do you want to add anything? Would you add anything else to the description of the safe isolation? Okay, all right. Let me know. Let me know what you think of this video. I'm going to basically do a few more of these, especially the ones where I've got the most comments on from people, where I can learn. I could have done something different in the video. I find that the videos where I make the mistakes or where they're not perfect, those are the videos that get like the video gets watched the most and I get the most feedback, which is quite interesting. So if you do a video where there's very little errors, no comments, but yeah, but anyways, I'm glad that you guys are taking part and people can learn from me not being perfect. All right, thank you for joining me. Please leave more comments in the section below if I've said something incorrect or what you think I could have improved on or described differently. Until next time, bye bye bye.